Hi, my name is Summer, and welcome to Summer's Cookbook.
Summer,
What?
look at me. What are we doing today?
Making Mother's Day sugar cookies. Here, we're gonna add the butter. 1/2 cup melted butter.
Use any of the butter. Now, that's yours. Okay, pour that in there.
I wish I can taste it.
Okay, that should do it. Now we've got to have 1 egg. Can you crack it? Put it in here. Put it in here, because if we get shells, we don't want it in the batter. Get down a little lower, a little bit.
I'm gonna get it on here.
Okay.
Here.
Stir a little bit while we start something else.
That's what I did.
Uh-huh. Now, pour that in there.
Sweet milky. I love milk.
Okay, I'll pour it in. Wait a minute, another drop. There. Dump that in there.
It's
Now,
so weird.
stir a little bit.
I can smell the some of it. It sounds like chocolate milk.
Throw that in there. We've done that one.
Can I stir?
Mm-hmm, you can stir it.
It's applesauce now.
We gotta have a pinch of salt. Have a big pinch of salt. Okay, that'll work. Now stir that all up before we put in the flour. Leave that much in there. Now, dump that in there. Now stir. Grease the pan for us, okay?
Grease the pan.
Uh-huh.
How? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Okay,
Okay, I'm done.
I think you've got that done enough.
Hold on. Okay, done.
Now we have to put our dough, remember, we gotta put our dough in the refrigerator and let it cool down a little bit before we can do the work.
Or a mess. Can I get it?
Now, remember, you gotta get flour all over the counter here so we can roll it out. Spread it out, about like
Spread it out,
this.
babe. Make it snow everywhere.
Snow, snow, snow.
Get down a
snow,
little
snow.
lower though,
A little lower.
because you have it all over the camera.
Now it's Christmas in our world. That's easy.
Put more flour on it. Just a little bit, because you see it's getting, you can see it's greasy there. We don't want it greasy. Now let's see if we can cut some out of that and it'll work.
Hold on.
Good job. Good job.
I like it.
Give me a stick. Thank you. See, now we need to.
I'll go in there. Then we'll go there. There. Look.
Matter of fact, if you get me one more skewer, we'll sneak another one in right here. Can you get me a skewer out of there? Thank you.
Get the 400.
I put it in. You want to put that one in there too? Okay.
Ooh, I like that. There. Oh, I went on the table. Thank you, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
You're the nice person. Don't forget this giant one I made.
We'll
Don't
put them all on
forget
here
this
for now because we
one.
gotta do the other, roll the other cookies
And
out.
this one.
Turn that one in here.
And I'm gonna draw this one. I'm gonna use down with the cherry one. Move that, move that. Okay. Ah, it's hard.
Well, we've got 3 here.
Ooh, that's cute.
Oh, good. That one's set for.
You always got this one to decorate too.
There's slime on me. Wait. I need to. Can I use this